Hello everybody, welcome back. Fumbler here. And today I have another dimple lock for you. And yeah, this is, I don't know, supposed to be easy pick or so. I just picked some other hard locks and I just wanted to have an easy picking. And that thing really frustrated me. I don't know if it's the challenging bitting or the tapered pins. I don't know. I thought, yeah, that should be easy. Let's do a quick video. And it kept so many hours working on it. I had to progressively pin it. I just really, the lock was really frustrating me. And yeah, of course, I started first with all pins in and tried to get anything, but I couldn't get anywhere. I don't know, the feedback was just super strange. I constantly overset stuff and so on. Then I had a closer look on the key, but that still didn't help. And then, yeah, I got it one side and checked out the pins. Let me show you these quickly. And they were nothing special at all. I mean, it's just standards all over the place and then a spool in one, and normally you don't even notice the spool, right? And but these pins are like really strange. I mean, they are a bit tapered, so you often have to repick several pins, just like touch them a little bit once again. So you really have to go to the pin states, back and forth, really annoying. And then you have like really long pins here in the end, which you easily overset. And I think I did that in the beginning really often. So from an easy pick, I really underestimated this lock. Turned out to be a really challenge. And yeah, how I pick it is tension wrench in here. I will not use this keyway. Part of the keyway tension counterclockwise, and then I can pick from here and yeah, go through all the pins with this just straight flag from multi-pick. It's a G Pro 3, I think. Yeah, and since this is giving me so many troubles, I will cut away here now and see you back in the wires in a moment. So welcome back in the vise. Here's the key. Works just fine. I already removed the C-clip, so video can be a bit shorter, hopefully. And tension counterclockwise. Quite heavy tension. One was binding. Two. I think 3, 4, 5. Oh, that was 6 already. Back to the start. 3 is binding now. Maybe got it set. Something else dropped. 1 is fine, 2 is fine, 3 is fine, 5. One is fine, 2 is fine. 3 is also okay. 4 is not binding. 5 is not binding. 6. Good click of 6. And 5. 4. Normally it's just now a tapered pin at some point. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So I just tapped on, I think it was 3, which is like a super short pin, right? Can you focus, please? No, it won't. Let's turn off. Yeah, pin 3 is like super short. I think I just tapped on it and we're open. Really cool. Okay, let's cut it. I'll just relock it since we have the key. And finally got this on camera. Cool. Okay, core holder. Yeah, let's have a look. So no zero lifts, you really have to lift every pin. Yeah, some anti-drill and anti-snap. Then I think this is maybe for construction key. But in this lock there are no ball bearings. But I think it's possible. So, pinning tray. Again here, the nice one from John. Can't stop using it. It's just super cool. Okay, let's get one out. One is a spool. 2 standard. 3 standard. 4 standard. 5 standard. And 6 also standard. All the springs. How annoying was this lock? I don't know. Key pins. They're all standard, but yeah, they have this step. I'll show you in a moment. Yeah, so these are the pins, and you can somewhat see the tapering on some of them, right? Oh, sorry. Yeah, and this is super annoying. You have to touch them very often, and they're super easy to overset because all the key pins are like beveled or also tapered. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, like that. So you easily overset these, and yeah, gave me really hard time this lock. I'm super glad I'm done with it. So anyhow, that's all I have for you on this Yale lock. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Have a great day.